Everyone, welcome back to Aras Inverter. In today's video, we will repair a Hisense 13 BTU inverter air conditioner. The problem is simple. The indoor unit turns on, but there is no cooling. Let's go step by step and see. Explaining the problem. When an indoor unit works but the system doesn't cool, there are usually two reasons. The outdoor PCB is not starting the compressor. The inverter driver section is not sending the correct signals. In this case, the refrigerant system was fine, so we focused on the electronics. The boards. Here you see the indoor boards. It manages the sensor, fan motor, and communication signal to the outdoor unit. If communications fails, the compressor will never start. Now, this is the outdoor inverter board. It drives its compressor motor and control the high power section with IPM, IGBTs, and gate drivers. Any failures here result in no cooling. Diagnosis. We first checked the DC bus voltage. It was normal, around 310 to 320 voltage DC. Then I checked the PWM gate signals from the IPM using test equipment. I noticed the driver signals were missing. That means the problem was not with the compressor itself, but with the driver's IC section on the PCB. This is common fault on Hisense inverter boards. Repair process. I replaced the faulty driver IC and inspect nearby component, resistor, capacitor, and voltage regulators. After replacing, I testing again. Now, the PWM signals were registered. The compressor start properly, and the indoor unit began producing cold air again. Conclusion and call to action. To summarize, the indoor board was fine. The outdoor inverter board had a driver IC failure. Replacing the IC fixed the no cooling issues. If you repair inverter ACS, always check the driver stage and communication lines first. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like. Please share this video and subscribe to Aras Inverter for more video AC repair videos. Thanks.